If you're on a health journey and looking for a healthy, satisfying dessert, here is a sweet potato brownie recipe. You will need about 850 grams of sweet potato. Boil them for 40 minutes, let them cool completely, and then clean them by scraping them with a knife. I chose to use purple sweet potatoes for this recipe because of their beautiful color and delicate flavor. But this recipe works well with orange sweet potatoes as well. Mash the sweet potatoes with a masher or a fork. It does not need to be a puree. Little chunks will work perfectly fine for this recipe. Add half a cup of unsweetened cocoa powder and half a cup of dark rye flour. Together, the cocoa powder and the rye flour will create a gorgeous dark brown color, which we need for our brownie. Add half a cup of water. You might be tempted to add more water, but I encourage you not to. Just continue mixing until you create this beautiful Play-Doh texture, which we need for our recipe. Add half a teaspoon of baking powder, 1 full teaspoon of vanilla extract, and you will need 5 prunes. Cut them into medium-sized chunks. Mix it all well until it's combined and you don't see the baking powder anymore. Now it's time to transfer it to a baking dish lined with parchment paper. My baking dish is 9 by 13 inches. Distribute it evenly and press by hands so it's nice and dense. Looks like this. Now it's time to decorate our brownie. Take 20 grams of pistachios and crush them so we get different size pieces and the green color of pistachios is showing well. We have 5 grams of chia seeds and 10 grams of hemp seeds. You will need about 15 raspberries. Rip them apart in halves and put them on the brownie. Then take a spoon and press all the toppings into the brownie. And I almost forgot the sea salt. A pinch of salt, press it well, and it's time for baking. Bake it for 40 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit or 175 Celsius. Let it cool completely and then cut it into 24 square pieces. Enjoy these brownies when you have sweets cravings or when you want to have something with coffee. Each brownie has 63 calories, 2 grams of protein, 2 grams of fat, and 13 grams of carbs. Enjoy, guys.